Coming up in this video, oh boy, Kings Ginger Liqueur. Amazing cocktail for you. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman. I'm properly excited today, but I'm Steve the Barman, and I hope these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite spirits, your favourite liqueurs even more. This isn't my favourite liqueur, but it's a flipping tasty liqueur. King's Ginger packs a punch, proper out and out ginger and tonic. At the bar show a few years ago, absolutely stunning serve. That was simple serve, but this cocktail is super delicious. It's a cocktail I've rocked out for a long time using this. Less waffle, let's crack on. It's going to be a shaking cocktail. This is 40, it's a punchy one, 41% ABV this. So it's quite strong. Going to serve it up in a highball glass. I'm loving my new bar because I've got so much room to move behind it now. It's absolutely brilliant. Right, first ingredient you want, 50ml double bubble of King's Ginger. You get this anywhere now. Right, 50ml. The next ingredient you want, I just want to keep hold of that. Next ingredient you want, we're going for some pineapple puree. All my purees, and now you can't see them, but they're sort of in the speed rail behind me, underneath me. I've got them all down there now. Brilliant. Right, long life, shelf stable purees, that's why I use them. This is just pineapple puree. So links in the show notes of where you can get this from. 20ml, okay? Now you could use pressed pineapple juice if you really wanted to. Bearing in mind this has got sugar in it as well, so if you were going to use pressed pineapple juice, you might just want a tiny little bit of sugar, just to kind of balance the drink out a little bit more. But that's why I use that puree. It just saves me opening a whole sort of 1 litre of pineapple juice. So we've got that, the puree, freshly squeezed lime juice. This is proper freshly squeezed lime juice. Look at the colour of that. See that? Oh, freshly squeezed about 10 minutes ago. 20ml. 20. Then the final ingredient before the shake, there is one coming after the shake to top the highball up. Again, we're going back to the bitters that I mentioned in my last video. Ms. Better's Bitters, Canadian brand of bitters. This is black pepper and cardamom. Okay, absolute, the whole black pepper of this, and they really are punchy sort of bitters. Bitters to a bartender, think like chef salt and pepper. It brings out the flavour a bit more. So this is black pepper and cardamom. You just want a bit too much. Hopefully you should be able to see that. It's about 1/3 of a pipette, okay? That's kind of what you want, just going it in there. Way less than 5ml, that is literally about 1ml, 2ml. So that's perfect for that, black pepper and cardamom. Right, ice that up and shake. As always, when I'm icing this up, I haven't got a name for this one. This is one of my own creations. So I need your help naming this cocktail, so stick your name suggestions in the comments below. You do kind of need to see what the other ingredient is coming. So stick that in the comments below. That then goes into my updated cocktail book. You can always get the free version in the comments or the descriptions of any of my videos, so download the free cocktail book for you. But if you want the updated version, the big version where it adds at least sort of 10 recipes every single month to it, that's in my membership, my Patreon, my membership online tier. Become a legend. Go and check my Patreon out. Big shout out as always to my lovely Patreons, legends, STB legends, that's what we call you. Big shout out to you guys, thank you for your support. Right, hard fast shake, 10-12 seconds. Right, just pop your glass out. Now the final ingredient is just some ginger ale. That's all we want. So for this glass, I just want about 75ml of ginger ale. I'm just going to pour that into the shaker to save sort of stirring it when it goes in the glass. That's what I always do. 25, 50. I found, when I was having my refurb, I found some FIFA Tree Ginger Ale. I didn't think I had. Normally I use Canada Dry, so I've just got FIFA Tree Ginger Ale there. Doesn't really matter too much. Right, strain. Perfect. And then you could use that ice if you wanted to. I'm just going for some fresh ice. Lovely jubbly, that'll do. And then crown it with crushed ice, bartender's best friend, crushed ice. Just makes our drinks look pretty. There we go. And then garnish. Garnish, garnish. I've got two things going on here. I've got some fresh ginger. And then, if it hasn't wilted, because it's hot in here, I've got some fresh mint as well. So that's my Kings Ginger cocktail popping up on screen now. Well, if you're watching this in 6 months' time, there will be loads more Kings Ginger. But for the time being, when this goes live, I'll stick some really cool other videos that will probably interest you for here. Serve it up. Tasty, really tasty.